In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the generative fill not working in Adobe Photoshop. If you've been struggling with this feature, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can get back to creating with ease. First off, let's navigate to the Help menu at the top of the Photoshop window. This is typically located in the menu bar, and it's your go-to spot when you need to quickly access Photoshop's documentation, tutorials, or information about your current software status. From there, you're just a click away from seeing which version of Photoshop you're using. Go ahead and click on About Photoshop. This will not only display the current version number, but will also verify whether you're on the latest release, which is crucial for accessing all the features. Now, if you find that you're running an older version of Photoshop, it's important to update it through the Creative Cloud application. Simply open Creative Cloud and under the Apps tab, check for any available updates for Photoshop. If there's an update ready to install, make sure you do that before moving on. Having the latest version ensures the best software performance and access to new features like Generative Fill. Once you're all updated, open up Photoshop. With Photoshop open, head over to the Edit menu, which you'll also find along the top of your window. Under Edit, scroll down to Preferences. Here, you'll find a myriad of settings you can tweak, but for our purpose today, we're going to select Technology Previews. This section is specifically for testing new features that Adobe is rolling out and perfect for trying out the latest enhancements to the Generative Fill feature. Look for the option labeled Enable Generative Fill Beta. Make sure you check this box to activate the beta version of this feature. It's worth noting that as Adobe continues to develop Generative Fill, keeping this feature enabled in the beta stage allows you to benefit from the newest improvements and provide feedback if you encounter any issues. After you've checked Enable Generative Fill or Beta, you'll need to restart Photoshop for the changes to take effect fully. Go ahead, close the application, and then reopen it. By following these steps, you'll be able to fix any issues related to Generative Fill not functioning in your current version of Photoshop. Remember, keeping your software updated and making use of technology previews can significantly enhance your user experience. So next time you're diving into a creative project, you can do so without any hindrances. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.